Okay, so hey guys, how are y'all doing? Um, my name is Derek Clement, if you don't know me. I am currently doing this lesson from my student teaching classroom. This is seventh period, the last period of the day, and it's just so happens to be my conference period. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So first, I'm gonna have to walk around kind of these desks to kind of um, get to where I need to go. But I have our Frere model here. Sorry if it's a little hard to see, but I'll try to talk as loudly as I possibly can so you know what's going on. So our first two words for this assignment, we're going currently over a unit of Jacksonian democracy and things like that. If you didn't know, I am a history major. So one of the first words that we have is suffrage, and it simply means the right to vote. So suffrage means the right to vote. Jackson was a big proponent for expanding suffrage. So suffrage, he expanded to no longer you had to be a landowner, you could just be a white male. So he expanded suffrage. Our next word is nullification or nullify. That simply means to cancel. So over the unit that we're talking about currently, South Carolina wanted to nullify a law, which basically means they wanted to cancel a law. They didn't want to abide by the law that was passed. Now, a word that we probably hear a lot of times, it is a common word, but it can be used in a content-specific word, is the word cabinet. So cabinet. So as you know, we use cabinets pretty much every day in our homes, but the definition of cabinet in this particular situation is a group of political officials that assist the president. So just in case you couldn't hear me, cabinet in this sense is a group of political officials that assist the cabinet. Now, some possible characteristics of cabinet member is smart. You could have a unbiased or biased cabinet member. Really unbiased or biased depending on the political party that they are representing. More so than not, it's normally the political party or the president that is elected, either Democrat or Republican. But in the earlier earlier part of the country, it really didn't matter. We didn't have a whole lot of political parties when Washington and those guys were in office. You might say that they could be a good communicator. Or even someone who's understanding of what is happening. I apologize if you can't see. I'm actually gonna move it up just a little bit so you can hear me. Okay. So some examples of a cabinet member. They could have been a senator, a governor of a state, How about a House of Representatives member? Or maybe just a political member, just political persona. It doesn't necessarily have to be one of these things. It could just be someone who Congress elects to be a part of, or yeah, to be a part of the president's cabinet. So. Okay, now we have some non-examples. As we know that this word is a very common word, so you could only imagine the amount of non-examples that we have. So something you put things in. How about a drawer at home? Or maybe something located in your kitchen. Okay, so now we have our word. We know the definition: a group of political officials that assist the president. Maybe some characteristics: smart, unbiased, biased, good communicator, and understanding. Examples could be a senator, governor, House of Representatives member, or any type of political member. Or some non-examples, we have something you put in your home, something you put things in your home, a drawer at home, or something located in your kitchen. I apologize if you can't really see like what I have written up here, but these are some pretty important words to be familiar with when we're talking about politics, for really history in general, but more specifically the unit that we're currently in here at school. So thank you guys, appreciate it, and see you next time.